Hi there, welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name is Save with Crypto. Okay, so yesterday afternoon I did a live stream with Maf, the coder, who's the guy who's helping me develop QuadZilla. And what we were concerned with whilst doing the live stream was the fact that on the 1 hour time frame we had this bearish convergence here of these EMAs. This is a 21 EMA and a 55 EMA, that is exponential moving average. Now normally when they cross like that, it's normally pretty bad news for the price, because it does something like that and then the price sort of plummets. Now in this circumstance, this is doing something a little bit different. It's just sort of like crossing backwards and forwards a little bit. It did that here, didn't it? Look, because it went bearish there and they didn't properly cross. They just sort of kind of kissed a little bit and then they went back up again. So yeah, so I'm wondering if we're looking at something like what happened here happening again over here, because it's not got that violent sort of like downwards motion like this one had, that one had, or even this one here. So if we look at the momentum oscillator, that's not telling us very much at the moment on the 1 hour time frame, other than there's plenty of room for an upwards movement in momentum in the next few hours. I do understand why a lot of people are looking at this as some kind of, Bart Simpson type thing, and then the price comes crashing back down here again. But at the moment, I'm not seeing that. To me, it looks more like something that happened here, where the price did that and then went up another leg. And part of my thinking for that is if we just go up a time frame, so say go to the 4 hour time frame, you can clearly see here that the yellow 21 is above the 55 and has been so for about a month. So we're clearly in an uptrend. Going higher, so for example a 7 hour, definitely like that. 12 hour, most certainly. Daily, definitely. I mean, maybe the weekly's starting to look a little bit overcooked, but overall the trend is still up. Now at the moment, QuadZilla is just showing these 2 EMAs here. You can add extra ones though, and the ones that we recommend are built in. So you've got the EMA 5 and the EMA 9, which I really like as well. And you want to see these in this order: red, cyan, yellow, green, and that's how they are right now. On the 1 hour time frame, they are in the wrong order, but they are scrunching up a little bit and look like they could cross over reasonably soon. So it's knife edge stuff, but I think overall I'm more bullish than bearish. Now if you fancy trading this with some free money, you come to the right place. I've got a really good offer going on Blofin. Now Blofin is an exchange where you don't need to do what they call KYC, which is know your customer, which means you don't have to show them a passport, a driving license or anything like that. You can just sign up with a email and a password, and it works in most countries. I'm using this here in the UK, and I know many people are using it in many different countries around the world with no problems whatsoever. The deal is if you deposit $100, you get $30 bonus. That is pretty amazing. That is for new users only. Now for existing users and new users with more money, there are these extra amazing bonuses as well. So if you deposit $500, you get $100. These are so generous. 1,000 you get 200, 5,000 you get 750, 7,000 you get $1,000 bonus. Now there are a few terms and conditions, so please do make sure that you read them carefully. It does say it's only valid for the first 100 users, but to be honest, my channel isn't that big and I don't normally get many sign-ups. I think from this typically I'll probably get like a maximum of like 5 or 10 sign-ups, and if that's you, well done. And the requirement is to put the money in there and leave it in there for more than 3 days, and to trade with it as well. So you will have to achieve a certain trading volume. But honestly, if you're fairly active trading, it's really easy to do. I'm always stunned by the trading volumes that I achieve, and typically I'm only trading with a few $1,000s. But even with a few hundred, you can achieve like really large trading volumes. So give it a go. savewithcrypto.org/Blofin and claim up to $1,000 for free. Now, if you want to get this indicator for free too, it's called QuadZilla, and you can get it by going to savewithcrypto.org/QR. And if you go there, what will happen, that will redirect to this page on TradingView here. Now this page is called Quad Rotation Stochastic, which was the old name we had for the indicator. We've decided to change it to QuadZilla now, and what's actually going to happen sometime this week is this version here is not going to be updated anymore. This version is going to remain as an open source public indicator, but then we're going to have a premium version as well, which may cost money one day. I'm not sure if that's the route we're going to go down. Now, certainly for everybody who is a supporter of the channel, you are going to get this indicator for free. Like the premium version, it's going to be free forever. It won't be free for everybody forever, but if you're a supporter of the channel, it will be. So what I'd like you to do is to like this video, make sure you are subscribed and you've got the notifications turned on. Leave a comment down below and tell me why you would like the indicator, or just tell me how you intend to trade, or just say hi, to be honest, that will do. I'd also like you to go to savewithcrypto.org/TG, and when you go there you will arrive at this page here. It's called Save with Crypto, Announcements, Trading Opportunities and More. Okay, and if you haven't got Telegram already, you will be prompted to download Telegram and you will automatically join the group. Now at the top of that is a pinned message here. This message explains how to get into the group where we can have a chat. Okay, it's called Save with Crypto Club, and there's a link here that goes straight to it, but do make sure you read the rules of the group first, so then you can join this group here called Save with Crypto Club, and this is where you'll be able to ask for an invite link to the premium version of QuadZilla. That's going to happen sometime this week. I'm not quite sure when. I'm hoping to do it today. If I don't manage to do it today, it will certainly be tomorrow or at least at the weekend, but it will be this week sometime. So you know what to do, don't you? Give the video a big fat like. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you got the notifications turned on. Go to savewithcrypto.org/Blofin and claim your $1,000 if you can. Then go to savewithcrypto.org/TG. Join the Telegram group. The first one will be the announcement group. Read the pinned message at the top. Then join Save with Crypto Club, and I'll see you there. All right. And above all, tell your friends.
I can't believe that Save with Crypto and MAF have chosen to make the quad rotation stochastic indicator in the United Kingdom rather than the United States, but they have clearly lost their minds because they are not even selling this great product. They are giving it away for free.
Okay, so we all know that Save with Crypto is the best YouTube channel on the planet, but it's not financial advice, right? So please do your own research and be responsible for your own actions. That way you will find that fairy tales will come true and we'll all become billionaires.